Bonjour les amis, welcome to today's French lesson for beginners. In this video, we'll learn the French verb partir, which means to leave or to go away. Let's start with its present tense conjugation, simple and easy to follow. Repeat after me. Je pars. I leave, tu pars. You leave, il, elle part. He or she leaves. Nous partons. We leave. Vous partez. You leave, formal or plural. Il, elle part. They leave. Great. Now, let's see how we can use partir in a real conversation.
Bonjour Léa, tu pars déjà?
Oui, je pars à 6 heures.
Où est-ce que tu pars?
Je pars pour Paris ce soir.
Et Paul, il part aussi?
Oui, il part avec moi.
Nous partons demain matin.
Parfait. Alors, bon voyage à tous.
That's it for today's French lesson. Now you know how to use partir in everyday conversations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy French lessons. À bientôt. See you soon.